All right, guys, so if you're watching this video, it means that you have registered, you've verified, and you've funded your account here on Lyronex. Now, this is the next step where you can actually connect your trading accounts to the EU copy system, right? So this is the dashboard right here when you log in using your phone. I'm using a phone here because I know a lot of people will be using their phone, but it's basically the same thing with your web or laptop version, right? So you click on this menu right here, and that is these three lines, the menu right here, and then you're going to come to this page. So you go to social trading right here, you tap on social trading, and this is going to pop up. Now you're going to see a lot of EAs or traders that you can copy from, but if you're looking for EU core, just come down to this point where you see showing result 12, tap on it, and then click on 600, right? This is going to show you all the providers that are available on this platform, so that way it will be easier to look for EU core, right? So just keep strolling and scrolling down. Now we're just going to be looking for EU core. It's a very simple procedure. Just look for EU core. Okay, here we go. This is EU core. Now you can see the performance of EU core and all of that. Now right now you can see minimum investment is $100, so you should be having an account balance of 100 and above, right? And remember, it should be a cent account, right? So now you're gonna just click on subscribe, and it's gonna take you to this page right here. You're going to find more details on the EU core activities and all of that. Now you can see here there's a weekly performance of 30%, and profit split is usually every week. That is on Mondays. So you just come here and click on subscribe again, tap on the subscribe button, then you just fill out this form, right? So trading accounts, the one marked with X, they are very important. You must fill them out. So trading account, you just tap on it, and then you're going to see options of the account you've created. So just choose on the one you've funded already with a minimum of 100. It can be 100, 200, 300, just a minimum of $100. So click on it, and then you enter the account. Then just leave this account balance. Then the next one, leave it at, that's lot allocation method. You tap on it, just leave it at the first one in proportion to account balance. So it's going to be following the master account, just the way it's trading. Then the next one, if copied lot is lower than 0.01, so just tap on it and change it to 0.01. Just leave it like that. Then source of fund, USD wallet, obviously it's going to be USD wallet. Tap on top up amount, just leave it the way it is. You're not topping up right now. And then next is just to click on this I confirmed and I have read, right? You can go through the agreement if you want, or you can just tap on it and then click on submit. Then I think that's the final stage. Everything is going to be set up for you, and automatically the bots will start picking up trades on your account. So thank you. Welcome to EU core trading copy trading system. Let's go.